Baby cubes are 100% certified organic, made with only fruit and veg, a blend of frozen goodness made into healthy, natural cubes that are nutritious. Check out our baby cubes recipes. Guys, we've got our veggie frittata omelette. Hi, I'm Karis from LICKALIX and Baby Cubes. So, super quick and simple to make, a great lunch recipe for the whole family, not just little ones. Come over to the cooker. So we start by frying the vegetables. I've got some cooked potato, carrots, sweet corn and peas. But most importantly, I've got some melted organic baby cubes. This time we're using the orange ones with organic carrot, sweet potato and butternut squash. Pour it in and start to let it cook. When it's almost done, flip it over and you can cook the other side. Now the flip can be quite hard, watch it. Almost there, that's quite good I think. If not, you can put it underneath the grill if you've got a pan that can go in the oven. Sprinkle with cheese when it's almost done so it starts to melt, and voila, that's it. Serve with some toast if you like. Enjoy! Guys, did you like this video? Check out our other healthy and delicious recipes made with our organic baby cubes. We love hearing from you, so if you have any questions or recommendations, please write in the comments section below. Follow us on our social media. Bye!